Guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talks video. So guys, have you ever been on Instagram and you've seen a post you like, but you don't have enough time to read it, or you probably want to go through it again and you decide to save them? I'm going to show you guys how to save a post on Instagram and also where to find a post that you have saved on Instagram. Now let's dive into that. Go ahead and open your Instagram application, and now let's say we scroll to this particular post right here. You notice the name of the person and you like this post and you want to save them up. You notice this area on the bottom right of that particular post. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, it actually says saved. You notice the quick option that displayed right there. Now if I scroll right down to a different post also, and I can go ahead and tap on this, and you notice it also said save. Right now I can just quickly click on saved collection to view all my saved collection, but instead I'm going to show you guys where the collection are actually saved. Now to show you guys where they are all saved, go ahead and click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and next you are going to notice where it says saved. Right, this particular icon right there, this particular link, go ahead and click on it. Now if you click on the saved, it displays everything you've saved so far. Now I have some couple of posts that I've saved myself. If you click on them, you're going to notice them display everything. These are the two posts I just saved right now. If you click on them, you can see them play, and exactly just that. So and if you also want to save more posts, you can go ahead and click on this plus icon, and now you can go ahead and tap on the post you already liked and then click on next, and you can go ahead and add them on your collection. You know where the collection displays, right? So I'm going to go ahead and say best and then click on add. So once I click on add, it's going to be displayed on my add collection. Now they are all on my favorite post. If you click here, you're still going to see the same post here, but just in case I have so many posts and I decide to filter them or to just reduce, I can click on the best and see more of them. And if you want to add more collection, you can go ahead and click on this plus icon and select more to add to your collection. Just click on next, and then if you want to add to a new collection, click on the collection name. If you want to change the cover, go ahead and click on change cover, and then go ahead and tap on this and go just say and click on add. Then they'll be added to your collection. Now I have two different collections under my saved icon. So that is all for today's video, guys. Very easy and very quick. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Please stay safe, guys, and peace.